Welcome to AWS Solution Architect Associate. So today we'll be going to module 11 knowledge check. So here we need to score at least 70% to complete the knowledge check. Otherwise we need to do it again. So let's start. So what is caching? A highly speed data storage layer, a way to store password, a global network for content distribution, and in-memory database. So here the answer should be a high-speed data storage layer. Correct? So which type of data should you cache? Data that can be retrieved quickly with simple queries, dynamically generated web content, static data that is frequently accessed, specialized data that is needed by a subset of users. So I think the answer should be C. So static data that is frequently accessed. Okay. So what is the benefit of caching? So it reduces response latency, load balancing the application, increase application reliability, and decrease costs. So I think the answer should be reduce response latency. So let's continue. So what does Amazon CloudFront enable? Bidirectional caching between user and the origin host, multi-tiered and regional caching of content, transactional processing with an in-memory database, automatic creation of time to life value. So here I think the answer should be multi-tiered and regional caching of content. So this is correct. So how does Amazon CloudFront use edge location? So it caches all content from an origin distribution at the edge location and delivers the content to clients through the fastest edge location. It caches local content at edge location. It delivers the cache content to clients through the edge location that requires the fewest network hops to reach those clients. It caches frequently accessed content at edge location. It delivers the cached content to client through the edge location with the lowest latency to those clients. It caches regional data to regional edge location and delivers the content to client through their regional edge location. So I think here the answer should be it caches frequently accessed content at edge location. It delivers the cached content to the clients through the edge location with the lowest latency to those clients. So I think this should be the answer. So where is the application session data cached when using sticky sessions? Web server, web browser, elastic load balancer, Amazon CloudFront. So here the answer should be web server. Which statement best describes the efficient way to deliver on-demand streaming content by using Amazon CloudFront? CloudFront does not work with streaming content. A best practice to create separate origin server for each region where you serve streaming content. A best practice is to create a distribution for each region where you serve streaming content. A best practice is to create video segments and store them in Amazon S3, then use CloudFront to cache the segment. So I think that the answer here should be to create a video segment and store them in the Amazon S3. Okay. So what is Amazon DynamoDB Accelerator DAX? A fully managed high available in-memory cache for DynamoDB, a feature of DynamoDB that automatically adjusts read-write capacity to handle load, a fully managed high available cache that is backed by DynamoDB, a feature of DynamoDB that enables fast lookup of items by using secondary keys. So here I think the answer should be a fully managed, highly available in-memory cache for DynamoDB. Submit. Let's continue. How can an application use Amazon Elasticache to improve database read performance? Read data from the database first and write the most frequently read data to Elasticache. Direct all read requests to the database and configure it to read it from Elasticache when a cache miss occurs. Read data from Elasticache first and write to Elasticache when a cache miss occurs. Write data to Elasticache whenever the application writes to the database. Replicate the database in Elasticache and direct all read to Elasticache and all writes to the database. So here I think the answer should be we should read data from Elasticache first and write to Elasticache when a cache miss occur, and we need to write data to Elasticache whenever the application writes to the database. So I think this by using these two ways we can achieve the high performance of database read. Okay. So this is also correct. So this is the last question. Which role does Amazon CloudFront play in protecting against distributed denial service attacks? Routes traffic through edge locations, controls traffic by the source IP address of request, restricts traffic by geography to help block attacks that originate from the specific countries, perform deep packet inspection to detect attacks. So I think here the answer should be it should route traffic through edge locations. So let's submit. Okay. So with this, we're able to solve 10 out of 10 questions and we scored 100%. Hope to see you in another module. Thank you.